Building a village through home improvement. I'm a Green Bay neighborhood reporter, Andrew Amuzu. It's the 5th year of Good Neighbor Week in Green Bay. How it's turning this family's house into the perfect home.
Amazing opportunity that we were given.
Wednesday marks Home Repair Day for Amy Petrick.
It's definitely long overdue, and it's cool to see that it's going to be done today.
And she has a lot of helping hands. That's because she was chosen for free home improvements during Green Bay's Good Neighbor Week. Her home is one of 14 projects that will help alleviate the challenges of home repair. Amy and her husband applied for additional assistance after juggling at-home projects, their growing family, and the loss of her father.
When I applied and was accepted, I was excited because I was going to be able to learn from them while getting our house updated at the same time.
Homeowners can apply for home repair assistance in the spring through NeighborWorks Green Bay. Volunteers and local organizations are then assigned to accepted projects.
It's going to take some work.
Mayor Eric Genrich also took part in the action. He says this week is simply about getting to know your neighbors.
Lend a hand if there's a project that people are in need of doing and can't necessarily handle it all on their own. That's what we're doing here.
It's mind-blowing because I'll watch HGTV, right, and watch other people do it, but to actually be in the middle of it, it's exciting.
Amy and her family moved here in fall of 2021. She says she's seen tremendous improvement since the first day they moved in.
It goes from being a house that you bought to a home that you made.
And Amy says with everything her and her family are learning, they plan to renovate their second floor on their own. This week's projects run through Thursday, and applications open up again in the spring. In Green Bay, Andrew Amuzu, NBC 26.